Hello, my name is Jagger Kochi, and this is the third lab that we have done for Gen Chem 2, and this would have been the vinegar and baking soda rocket. To start off with, there are two different reactions that occur in this. The first is an acid-base reaction, which forms sodium acetate and carbonic acid. And then the second is a decomposition reaction, where the acid will immediately break down into the CO2 and the water. And the acetic acid from the vinegar is a weak acid. That's very key to know. That's probably why the whole reaction occurs or makes it combust, because it's a weak acid. It can't dissociate completely from the water, so then it just erupts essentially. But the reason this reaction occurs is for multiple reasons besides just the vinegar containing the acetic acid, which is weak. Baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate, which means each molecule of the baking soda contains a sodium atom, hydrogen atom, an oxygen atom, and a CO2 molecule, or a carbon dioxide molecule. And then vinegar, again, contains the acetic acid, which is a weak acid, and these molecules will contain a hydrogen atom and an acetate ion. And whenever these are combined, the acetic acid will meet up with the hydrogen and the oxygen in the baking soda to try and form water, while the acetate ion will grab onto the sodium ion and form the salt, the sodium acetate. Then the CO2 is free from the bonds of these other chemicals, so that's why bubbles occur. I mean, the bubbles will occur in the bottle even if you shake it, because it's being shaked up, it's being messed with. But that's why it's allowed to escape even more quickly due to those carbon dioxide molecules. So to further elaborate on my rocket, again, you'll see later in this video kind of how it happened. But essentially, I had in the video that you sent us as a template, I tried getting these pencils to help the bottle stand, but my taping job just wasn't the best, or I didn't use enough. So whenever I stuck the paper towel into the bottle of water, it fell over, and I was like, why is this not blowing up? Why is this not blowing up? And I had just had the sealed on there just way too tight, and some of it kind of blew up in my face. I had to go out, wash out my eyeballs. But I mean, I turned it just literally that much, and again, back to why mine more so exploded rather than took off. Again, I know if you use way more baking soda than vinegar, like say you use 80% baking soda, 20% vinegar, it can blow up. It can be almost like a mini grenade in a sense. So again, I don't know what I did on my part. I'm gonna say I put in too much baking soda. I didn't put in enough vinegar. But again, at the end of this video, you will see why or how my experiment proceeded. I call it a success, but a very, very mild success. But again, to me, the main reason this reaction occurs is because the acetic acid is weak, and then it'll respond with the solution that it's mixed with, and then also the carbon dioxide as well. So thank you for listening to my explanation, and then now I will have you watch my successful experiment. Thank you.
Going.
Are we ready? No, stay up. Work. Blow up. Oh, it feels really hard.
Blow up, please. Please blow up. I don't think it's blowing up, bro. Bow! Oh.
I have it sealed too tight.
Ah.
It's all in there. Oh, I don't know.
You made this rocket, now blow it up. Use your other hand, man. Oh.